Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of cucumber. From its high water content to an impressive array of vitamins and antioxidants, the cucumber is nature's gift to hydration and overall well-being. Join us as we delve into the many reasons why this simple, crunchy delight deserves a prime spot on your plate and in your daily diet. We'll uncover the fascinating health benefits that make cucumbers not only a refreshing snack, but a nutritional powerhouse. Stay tuned to learn how this versatile vegetable can contribute to your digestion, heart health, skin rejuvenation, and so much more. Let's embark on this enlightening adventure into the world of cucumbers and their incredible impact on our health. First and foremost, hydration, the cornerstone of a healthy, energetic life. And when it comes to staying well hydrated, cucumbers take center stage. Cucumbers are primarily made up of water, boasting an impressive 95% water content. This makes them a hydration hero, especially during scorching days when replenishing fluids is crucial for maintaining optimal bodily functions. To put it into perspective, cucumbers contain more water than most fruits and vegetables, making them an excellent choice for those seeking to quench their thirst while nourishing their bodies. What's more, let's talk about digestion, a fundamental pillar of overall well-being. Cucumbers are a digestive system's best friend, thanks to their high fiber and water content. The combination of these elements promotes a healthy digestive tract and helps prevent common digestive issues. The fiber in cucumbers adds bulk to your stool, aiding in smooth bowel movements and preventing constipation. It's like nature's broom, keeping your digestive system clean and functioning optimally. Cucumbers are gentle on the stomach, making them a soothing choice for those with sensitive digestive systems. They can alleviate acid reflux and ulcers, promoting a calm and comfortable digestion experience. Your heart, the engine of life, deserves all the love and care it can get. And one vegetable that stands out in promoting heart health is the cucumber. Cucumbers come with a heart-healthy dose of potassium, a crucial mineral known for its ability to regulate blood pressure and support a healthy cardiovascular system. Potassium helps counterbalance the effects of sodium, aiding in reducing high blood pressure, a significant risk factor for heart disease and stroke. But wait, there is more. Cucumbers may possess anti-inflammatory properties due to compounds like flavonoids and tannins, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. What's more, for those on a journey towards a healthier weight, cucumbers are a natural, low-calorie ally, offering both satisfaction and nutrition. They are incredibly low in calories and contain minimal fat, making them an ideal food for weight management. Their high water content and dietary fiber also play a significant role in helping you feel fuller longer. With just a handful of calories per serving, cucumbers allow you to indulge in a satisfying snack without worrying about your daily calorie intake. In addition to being low in calories, cucumbers can be a healthy replacement for higher-calorie snack options. Swap out chips or other high-calorie snacks with cucumber slices for a guilt-free, crunchy treat. But the benefits don't stop there. When it comes to achieving radiant, glowing skin, cucumbers are a go-to ingredient, bringing a natural and refreshing touch to your skincare routine. The cooling and soothing properties of cucumbers make them a popular remedy for various skin issues. The high water content helps to hydrate and rejuvenate the skin, leaving it supple and revitalized. They are often used topically to reduce puffiness and under-eye circles, providing relief and rejuvenation to tired, stressed skin. Incorporating cucumbers into your skincare routine can help calm irritation and inflammation, making them a natural choice for sensitive skin types. Whether you use cucumber slices directly on your skin or opt for cucumber-based masks and lotions, this humble vegetable offers a range of benefits that promote a clear, youthful complexion. Additionally, in a world filled with toxins and pollutants, the cucumber emerges as a cleansing agent, a natural detoxifier that can rejuvenate and revitalize your body. Cucumbers possess natural diuretic properties, promoting the production of urine and aiding in flushing out toxins from your system. This process helps cleanse the liver and kidneys, two essential organs involved in the body's detoxification process. Hydration plays a vital role in detoxification, and cucumbers, being primarily composed of water, assist in keeping your body well hydrated during the detox process. They are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support the body's natural detox mechanisms, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals. Incorporating cucumbers into a detox diet can enhance the detoxification process and promote a healthy, rejuvenated body. From cucumber-infused water to detox salads, this versatile vegetable is a key ingredient in many detox programs. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Moreover, in the quest for maintaining a balanced internal environment, cucumbers emerge as a champion of alkalinity, assisting your body in finding its optimal pH levels. Cucumbers, despite their slightly acidic pH outside the body, possess alkalizing properties when metabolized within. Once ingested, they contribute to alkalizing the blood and tissues. An alkaline environment in the body is believed to help counteract the effects of a highly acidic diet, stress, and various environmental factors, ultimately promoting overall health and well-being. By consuming cucumbers regularly, you can contribute to maintaining a more alkaline pH, which can be beneficial in reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting bodily functions. What's more, in the pursuit of maintaining sharp vision and caring for our precious eyes, cucumbers shine as a natural ally that offers significant benefits for eye health. They are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins A and C, which are vital for good vision and overall eye health. Vitamin A is known for its role in maintaining proper eye function, including supporting night vision and preventing age-related macular degeneration, a common cause of vision loss. Regular consumption of cucumbers can contribute to ensuring your eyes get the nourishment they need to stay healthy and functional. Lastly, your smile is a reflection of your overall well-being, and when it comes to oral health, cucumbers offer unexpected benefits that go beyond their crisp texture and refreshing taste. Cucumbers, with their high water content and fiber, can help in maintaining a healthy oral environment. Chewing them stimulates saliva production, which is essential for optimal oral health. Saliva helps in neutralizing acids, washing away food particles, and controlling harmful bacteria in the mouth. This, in turn, helps prevent issues like tooth decay, bad breath, and gum disease. The natural crunchiness of cucumbers can also act as a gentle abrasive, aiding in removing plaque and surface stains from teeth, promoting a brighter smile. And there you have it, folks. Nature's crisp, hydrating gift revealed in all its glory, offering an abundance of health benefits that go beyond its simple appearance. So, the next time you're craving a snack, remember to reach for a cucumber. Its crunchy, hydrating goodness might just be what your body needs. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.